Are you struggling with scheduling your meetings with your clients? Or perhaps you're sending emails back and forth just to find the time that you are both available? You don't need to do this manually anymore. You can simply create an AI agent that can book your appointment automatically into your Google Calendar and automate this process today for yourself. AI phone callers are advanced systems that sound almost like real people and can handle phone calls instead of humans. In this tutorial, I will walk you through setting up an automated process to schedule appointments directly into your Google Calendar.
Hi, this is Sarah from Travelly. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I would like to book an appointment.
Sure, I can help you with that. Could you please provide me with your name and the date and time you'd like to schedule the appointment?
Yes, I would like to book an appointment for tomorrow, September 3rd at 10 a.m.
Just a sec. Thank you for providing the details. The appointment has been scheduled for tomorrow, September 3rd at 10 a.m. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that would be all. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great day.
For those who don't know me, my name is Saeed and I run a successful AI business called Uniqly AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this step-by-step process. So let's get into it. So you just need to tell the AI agent when you want to book an appointment. If the time you ask for is open, it will book it right away. But if it's not available, it will offer you other times very close to your preferred slot to choose from. So first, we want to create a webhook. Simply, you have to connect it to your Vapi. If you don't have it, just click add and then write the webhook name you want, click save, and then you will get this ID. With this ID, we'll go to Vapi. We just go to tools, new tool, and we choose make, and then we copy this ID we get and paste it here and click save. Now you have connected your Vapi with your webhook in make.com. So now we have to go back to Vapi and we need to create a new assistant. I've already created an assistant for booking an appointment. So you just give it a first message. For example, I have given it, hi, this is Sarah from Travelly. How may I assist you today? And then we put some system prompt. For example, you are a customer support assistant for the company name. Your job is to assist customer with inquiries. And then I have given it more information, such as greet the customer politely and ask how you can assist them. Identify the issue by asking questions, provide accurate and concise information. If the issue is beyond your capability, they can escalate it to the human agent, maintain a friendly and professional tone, book an appointment, and at the end conversation by asking if there is anything else or not. And then I've given it some more knowledge base, such as like categories, destination, accommodation, and so on. And then from here we go to function. So we click on tools and create new tool. And then here it directs us to the back to tools. And here we have already integrated to make.com our webhook. And here we have to tell the tool name. So I put booking time and the tool description. So this function is intended for scheduling an appointment. It should only be executed if the user's name has been recorded and the appointment time has been specified by the user. So, and then we save it, and that's it for the function. So for the next step, we will use AI from the OpenAI. And the first thing you have to connect it with your make.com. Simply connect it and put your API key. And then from here, we need to select the method we want. We will create a chat completion and we choose the model. I've chosen 3.4 Turbo, but you can also choose GPT-4 or anything else. And then for the first message, we will, for the role, we choose the system. And the message content itself, you can write something like, we have just asked the user when they would like to book a meeting. You will be provided with the current date and their response. You must output the date and time they would like to book the meeting in date-time format. And then just write the date-time format and the time zone you would like to choose. I'm in the Central European time, so I've put it this. And for the second message, we will for the role we will choose the user. And for the message content, we can write something like, this is the current date time, the format, which is like year, month, day, hour, minute. And then I'm currently in Slovenia, so Slovenia, Ljubljana, the city. And this is when the user would like to book. So if you want to see this, first you need to go back to Vapi and talk with your assistant. This will it will be like a test that will populate this information, and then you will see it in here, and then you can choose it from. And then you just put your max tokens and click OK. Next, we want to create a module with Google Calendar, get free busy information. And again, you have to first connect it with your Google Calendar. Again, simply click it, sign in with your Google Calendar. And then for the minimum time, we will put the result, which it means exactly the time that the user want to book. And the minimum time is when the booking is started, and the maximum time is when the booking is end. So for example, I have put 15, which means the result is 15, which means the duration of the meeting itself, it will be only 15 minutes. And then for the calendar ID, again, connect your Google Calendar and click OK. If you're looking to implement fully customized AI solution for your business, feel free to schedule a call using the link in description below, and we can discuss how AI can be seamlessly integrated into your business. So from here, you need to create a router. The router will provide an option when the time the user want to book is available. It will go one direction. If the time is not available at that time, when the user want to book an appointment, will go the other direction. So in here, we have created the router, which will go this way. Again, we need to create an event with Google Calendar, and then we say create an event in detail, and then choose the Google Calendar you want, and the event name, which is the message itself and the function name. So the time and the name of the from the previous Google Calendar, and then you say the start date will be the choices and the message content from the previous Google Calendar again, and the duration itself will be 15 minutes. The description, and then show me as busy, some just details you can play around with, the visibility and so on. Click OK, and then again we need to create a webhook model, simply to give the result back to the user. For example, the status is 200 and the result will be like, great, your appointment has been booked. This is what the user will see after the booking appointment, and simply click OK. So if the time is not available, we will go the other path. So we will set a variable for using the tools. We will give it a name. And if the time that the user want to book is not available, we will use this. So it will go from the beginning of the day, at the time of the beginning of the day until the end of the day. And it will look for the time that it's available and it's not booked, and then it will offer some time availability. And then from here again we want to create a Google Calendar, so get free busy information, and then we will put the minimum time 15 per day. So this is from the previous one, Google Calendar, and the tools. and then we say the 24 hours from here. It's available. Now we need to again use AI to find alternative times. Again, we choose a method, create chat completion and the GPT model. And for the first message, we use role system, and the message content. Your job is to show only the closest available times that the user can book. Do not add any extra notes or text. And for the second message, we use for the role user, and we say for the message content, please propose 3 different 50-minute time slots. Below is a list of times that are already booked through the day. So make sure your suggested slot do not overlap with these unavailable periods. Here is the time they tried to book, but it was not variable. And then you put the message content and choice from the previous message, the Google Calendar. And then please propose times that are close to the original booking time. Make sure they are not earlier than the current time. And then you put the format again. And then could you please provide 3 possible time slots for booking? It would be great if you could share them as if you are discussing it with someone. Also, please ensure that the suggested times are definitely available by double checking against the current scheduled and avoiding any conflict with already booked times. That's it. Click OK. And then again, we need to message the user by using the AI again. Everything remained the same, except here for the first message, you say the message content, a user has just been provided with available time slot they can book. Please clearly inform the user of these recommended time options in a few sentences. Here is the list of available slots. Again, we choose the same choices and message content as the previous. And then we give it a sample response. Unfortunately, the time slot you selected is already taken, blah, blah, blah. You put the format and so on. Please let me know which one works best for you. So you are giving the alternatives time. And then for the second message, we use the role, the system, and then the content of the message will be, your task is to inform the user about the available time slot using a natural and conversational tone. And click OK. And lastly, we create another webhook to receive this data and give back the result. So again, we will put the result like choice message content to them and click OK. And that would be all.